Hello friends, welcome to IT area. In this video, we are going to discuss 5 job opening. First opening is IGT Solutions. Next opening is for Amazon. Next opening is for EPAM. Next opening is for Systenix. And last opening is for Zoho. So all these opening we are going to discuss in detail. So before going to forward, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. Today's our first requirement is for IGT Solution. They are hiring for fresher candidates for the software engineer trainee. They are hiring for Chennai, Gurgaon and Pune location. Job description: candidates should be passionate towards learning with strong technology basics, responsible for quality and timeliness, strong analytical and problem solving skill to address work related problem, good understanding of software technologies and object oriented approach, understanding of software development life cycle. Candidates should be self motivated, team player and result oriented, good communication and problem solving skill. Candidates should have excellent oral and written communication skill, good in analytical, mathematical and logical skill. Training, certification and project in technologies like Java, .NET testing will be added advantages. So eligibility criteria: candidates with BE, BTech, EMCA in software engineering, computer science and information technology are eligible to apply. 2020 to 2021 batch out candidates with no backlog can apply for the job. Candidates should have minimum 65% above in 10th, 12th graduation and post graduation. So Java development, .NET development and testing candidates can also apply for the job. Check out link in the description and apply for the job. Next opening is for Zoho Corporation. They are hiring for a software developer role. So they are going to conduct online test on 1st September. So 2020 and 2021 batch out candidates are eligible to apply for the job. Job description: develop, test and implement new software programs, write clean and efficient code, prototype and develop scalable and reliable mobile application, troubleshoot, debug and maintain the existing software programs, monitor the quality, performance and uses of developed functionality in the application. So work closely with the other developer, designer and support representatives to manage and enhance the applications. Interview process: they are going to conduct online test on 1st September. If you are shortlisted, then they will inform through mail. Test based on general aptitude. So after shortlisted in general aptitude, they will contact through email. For more details regarding next round will be sent in the call letter. Do not apply for the job if you have applied before 3 months at Zoho, or if you are graduating in 2020. So apply before 31st August. So you can fill your name, email ID, mobile, college name, degree, batch, year of passing, any experience if you have, address, city and state, and attach your updated resume here and submit the application. Check out link in the description to apply for the job. Next opening is for EPAM India. They are hiring for 2020 batch out engineering graduate candidates. So before apply, you should understand all their requirement. So job title: they are hiring for junior software engineer. Only 2020 batch out candidates can apply for the job. Qualification: BE, BTech, EMTech engineering graduate with minimum 60% throughout their education. So fresher or up to 1 year Candidates can apply for the job with relevant training or work experience either for Java, JavaScript or other data structure or object-oriented programming. Job location, any of EPAM India offices like Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai and Gurugram. Training location will be Hyderabad. Hiring process, they conduct online coding assessment and then technical and HR interview. More details will be shared through email for eligible candidates. They provide 6 lakhs per annum salary and other benefits. Selected candidates, they are going to provide clinical practice. So for more job description, you can check out these 3 links as per your skill. Online assessment test will be conducted on 4th September 2021. So joining date will be on 1st November or 1st December 2021. So training will be conducted for selected candidates for first 2 months at Hyderabad office. So more details will be shared through email. All eligible candidates will receive online coding assessment link on their registered email ID. Candidates who clear first round will receive further details on technical and HR round of interviews. So EPAM will map you on the basis of your training or work experience into technology or practice based on the choice you pick in this survey. Your training work experience should match with the option you pick. So registration closes on 1st September. So you should apply before this date. So you can select any one of these 3 technology. Right after this, you can fill your name with valid email ID, mobile number. So you can select your gender here, then graduation, college name, your education qualification, specialization. So confirm your year of passing. Only 2021 batch out candidates are eligible. So current state of residence. So you can fill your state. So you can give your reference about EPAM hiring. So if you are currently employed in organization, then fill this yes or no, then click on this next button. For more details, I will provide link in the description. Check out link in the description and apply for the job. Next opening is for Amazon. They are hiring for cloud support associate. So qualification required for the job. Fresher of up to 1 year experience candidates can apply for the job. Candidates with bachelor degree in engineering with CSE, IT, electronics branch candidates can apply for the job. EMCA with aggregate of 65% can apply for the job. Excellent oral and written communication skill, strong customer focus and multitasking skill, self-starter who is excited about technology, troubleshooting and support experience. So basic in OS concept or Linux, programming and scripting experience, basic knowledge of networking and exposure to cloud computing. So to apply for the job, just click on this apply now button. So you can create your account here and apply for the job. I will provide link in the description for more details. If you are new on the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. So next opening is for Systemix. They are conducting off-campus drive for 2021 to 2022 batch out candidates. So they are hiring for trainee software developer. Job location is Navi Mumbai. So BTech, Computer IT or MCA or BCA or BCS, MSc, BSc, ITCS candidates can apply for the job. Desired skill C, C++, and OOPS concept. So knowledge of HTML, CSS. So experience required for the job. So fresher candidates can apply for this position. So selection process. After resume is shortlisted, they are going to conduct online test based on C and C++. Note, this is not a direct walk-in interview. First you have to send your resume on jobs@systemix.com. If you are shortlisted, then they will contact you for next round of interview. I will provide link in the description. For more details, you can check out link and apply for the job. For more job updates, you can subscribe to our channel.